Hi, my name is Christian Ali. I'm a metal tech at Moody's Collision Center. While at MTECH, I learned the process of checking cars in and checking my parts in, laying things out, checking damage to paper so that in the end the process goes smoothly and quickly. Learning from someone that has been on the customer side, writing estimates, painting, tearing down cars, and someone that has a well-rounded knowledge of the profession is helpful and helps guide you to where you want to be.
Hi, my name's Jake Brown, and I'm a metal tech at the Gorham Moody's Collision Shop. My time down here at MTECH has helped me grow and prepare myself to work on the production floor in Gorham.
Hi, my name is Nathan Morris. I'm a metal tech in training for MTECH at Moody's Collision Centers. Yeah, what excites me about this opportunity is learning from an experienced professional in a one-on-one environment.
Hi, I'm Paul McDonough, and I am a co-worker here at MTECH and an instructor. MTECH is Moody's training facility here in Gorham. It's our opportunity to help take green techs and or seasoned techs and either bring them to the next level or teach them the SOPs, how we do things here at Moody's. When you walk in the door of MTECH, you'll notice that we are just as equipped with many of the tools that you will find inside our other locations. Here at MTECH, we hope that when the technician leaves to go to the other facilities, they have the ability to plastic repair, door skins, bedsides, and any other repairs that may arise throughout the process.